Let's talk midterm. So the midterm exam starts next week when we go into the modules, right? You've done module 1, you've done module 2, you're working on module 3 right now. So next week we get into module 4, which is the midterm. Now the midterm only covers chapters 1 through 6. It is 20 questions and you have 2.5 hours to finish those 20 questions. So a few things to refresh. First, you can create your own formula sheet. Remember, 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. It is 4 points. You must put this in. Oh crap, I need to fix that. Okay, so formula sheet, you need to submit. There will be a spot for that after I fix it. Pardon me. Okay, so you're going to do your formula sheet. You're going to put that in there. Then you're going to review. It's always important to think, okay, chapter 1 through 6, that was a lot of information. So if you go in, again, module 4, test review center. If you click on that, it is going to take you into the review center. This is the midterm. So midterm exam, chapters 1 through 6, click on that arrow. This is going to give you exactly what's on the midterm, like the topics. At the top is where you need the most help. So it's at chapter 5 right now because that's where I haven't done that homework yet. But you can see as we go down, it tells me like how long ago I've mastered those things. So the things that I've mastered most recently is at the bottom because it's probably fresher. So I would recommend you click on the arrow. You start the review. You do a couple of problems and then go back to the review list. Go to the next one. Do a couple of problems. Back to the review list. If it's in this test review center, it is on the midterm. So this is the best review for the midterm because it tells you exactly what you need to know. And I will give you bonus points for working in the test review center. Okay, so in getting ready for the midterm, you're going to submit your formula sheet. You're going to work in the review center, and then you're going to be ready for the exam. Now, to take the exam, this is proctored, and I am going to be doing the proctoring. So you're going to schedule with me sometime between June 26th and July 1st. You have a 6-day period that you're going to tell me when you want to start, what day, what time. And then when that day comes, so let's say you choose Thursday at noon. You're going to go into the Zoom spot and you're going to see that starting on Monday, we have midterm exam things. Now, these are set to be 12-hour meetings. So no matter what time you pick, this is where you're going to go in. So if you picked Thursday at noon, you go into Thursday, June 29th, and you will hit join on Thursday at noon. I will be in the meeting. I will then give you your password because these exams are password protected. So you'll go in, midterm exam. It'll say, okay, you need to start. It'll tell you it's 2 hours and 30 minutes. From the time that I give you your password, you hit start, you enter the password. That's when you have 2 hours and 30 minutes to begin. And you will need to have your camera on the entire time. That is kind of a requirement. After you finish the midterm and you hit submit, you will turn in your scrap paper, which again, you get points for turning it in. Just to turn it in, you get your 5 points. I will then grade your midterm. Anything that you missed, I will look and check, grade, potentially give you points back based off your scrap paper. After all of that is done, you will do your midterm exam reflection discussion board just to reflect on the experience thus far, and then you'll be ready to jump into module 5 and continue on with the second half of the course. So hopefully that kind of helps. You'll need a calculator, just anything basic. This is, a TI-30X is fine, or anything that is, a handheld calculator. That's what we're going to want to do. If you have any other questions, please shoot me an email. Otherwise, we do have live class next Monday, the 26th at noon, where we can schedule times or answer any other questions about the midterm. Hope you're all having a great week. Bye.